Jake of all. So I have a quick tip for you, and just a tip. You have the rolling pack out, and if you've noticed that to pull the handle up, you have to push this, right? And to put it down, you push it. But say when you want to get going, you just want to pull the handle and not have to push. Well, Electronsmith has come up with a way that you can put a block in here. And we sell these blocks on store.jakeofall.com. And I'm going to show you real quick how to take these blocks and put them in here. So, real quick, pop those out. Take your handle out, and you can see the spot for the blocks. So we're going to place a block there and a block there. Drop them back down in. Put the screws back in. Okay, now, because you only installed the blocks up here to lower it, which is good, so that your handle doesn't lower on you without you wanting it, you still have to push this. But when you want to pull this, it's got a little stick at first. You see that I don't have to push that anymore. So now I can roll it where I need to. I want to lower it. Boom. I want to get going. Boom. That's how you install the lock blocks. And, oh, you like my hat?
I do like your hat, Jake of all.
You like this hat? Do you want to win this hat? Here's what you got to do. There's another video. It's the what is it? The Fez Tool ammo can, or the Fez Tout. What is it? Fez
Tout.
Fez Tout
Ammo can.
ammo can. Okay. You're gonna need a keyword from this video, and the keyword is Electronsmith, Benjamin Johnson. However you want to say it. He is the inventor of these blocks and a couple other things. So find that video over on my YouTube channel, and it'll have some more instructions in that. I appreciate you watching. I'm the Jake of all. Pack out.